Hi, welcome to this topic on cost-driven design. The main aim of this course is to understand how to calculate the cost of an additive manufacturing part, especially for laser beam melting process, and create a parametric workflow such that it works for any given design part. So in this course, we have 4 sessions. In the first session, we will see where to find this component LBM costing in the software, what are the inputs required to calculate the cost, and how to read the output with an example file. And in the second session, we will get a quick introduction to the topic of design exploration and parametric optimization, which will be used in the later sessions. In the third session, we will learn how to perform different experiments by changing the orientation of the part in the build platform and observe the costs. So in the same session, we will also learn how to select the best machine for printing the given part by performing a parametric optimization. And finally, in the last session, we will learn how to perform nesting in order to optimize the usage of the build platform. So let's get started to the first session.